Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today our team has studied few organizations and found that there is haphazardous method of work. There are few type of employees in the organization, most probably in each department, who works on this methodology. Bring it fast. Let me do. They do not understand what is required to be worked, but haphazardous method, running here and there and here, and creating confusion, and they themselves are the confused. Taking a file in the hand, either it belongs to them or not, but they are running here to there to here, and all these things. It is totally sweating. But you ask them, "Are what for you are sweating, yaar?" They don't know. अरे यार ये फाइल में प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा, एंड दैट फाइल्स बिलोंग टू परचेज डिपार्टमेंट. तो तुमको कैसे समझ में आएगा भाई? वो फाइल अकाउंट डिपार्टमेंट की है, आपको कैसे समझ में आता है? बट दैट फाइल वेंट रॉन्गली yesterday in the another lot. So without seeing anything, you rammed into, and upon the mistake you are also committing the mistake. Are you getting what I am saying? Morning, you wasted your total energy running here, there and here. You have distorted the work style. You disturbed to other people because of your haphazardous nature of the work. Without knowing the fact, without knowing the process, without knowing the flow, you are taking the command of the things in your hand. How you can perform? And when you are not aware about how you will deliver, these are the very important questions. Such people are running in the organization, very simple, like a fire brigade, without knowing the point of the fire. Now you will have in your mind that what I am saying, फोन जाता है तब फायर ब्रिगेड की गाड़ी निकलती है. I agree, but can you tell me, or have you seen from the fire brigade office, when the fire brigade starts moving, they don't care anything. रास्ते में उनके जो भी आता है उसको तोड़ते फोड़ते जोड़ते निकल जाते हैं, क्योंकि वो फायरमैन है, क्योंकि फायर कहीं लगी हुई है, बहुत बुरे तरीके से डैमेज होने वाला है, नुकसान होने वाला है. इसके धुंध में आकर के वो गाड़ी को घन आपने देखा होगा ना, उनका घंटी होता है, एक आदमी घंटी बजाता रहता है, घन टन 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 टन, वो ऐसे बजाते हुए, और गाड़ी भगी जा रही है. उसने स्कूटर को डैश कर दिया, उसने कार को डैश कर दिया, उसने सिग्नल को तोड़ दिया, उसने सब कुछ तोड़ दिया, क्योंकि उसको परमिशन है कि उसके ऊपर कोई एक्शन नहीं हो सकता. लेकिन माय डियर फ्रेंड, माय डियर ड्राइवर, टेल मी दैट डू यू नो वेयर फायर इज? No, somewhere in Gaimukh, the place, somewhere in Anand Nagar, because phone came and I have been told by my officer that go to Anand Nagar and there is the fire. Now Anand Nagar is not such a small place, Gaimukh not a small place. So what do? You go to Anand Nagar signal, either you have identified or not, either you have taken left or you have taken right, because both the side is the thing, the place, and instead of taking the right you have taken the left, and or your vehicle is running like gana 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 gana, and fire is in the right direction. So again somebody told that not this side, maybe that side, see some fume is coming up. Then you taken the turn again, damaging the things, you are coming and you are coming this side. Before you reach, the things are totally gone. Where you would have reached before 1 hour and would have saved a lot of property, but you have taken the wrong turn because you were not knowing that in Anand Nagar, which Anand Nagar, East Anand Nagar or West Anand Nagar, left side of highway or right side of highway. This is best example of haphazardous manners to work in a organization. Such employees should not be allowed to damage the system, procedures and energy of self and any other companion. That's why it has been said, when you report your desk in the morning, you check all your paper of yesterday balance to be attended today. Paper came today which you are going to attend today. File comes to you, attend those manually, read it. This file is right or not? The paper kept is right or wrong? What is the link of this paper and paper filed in the file? Is there link being established or not? When you make all this kind of the study, then you prioritize your work. Which work I have to do first, and thereafter. If you don't work at least in this manner, I am not saying that this is the only one manner or one method. No, maybe another parallel method, but you have to study. Your approach to your desk should be very scientific and rational. 4 people are sitting in a queue and you are disturbing all the paper of all the person, but you have not touched your paper. You are checking the drawer of others, but you have not opened your. You are mishandling the paper of others, you have not seen your paper. Or you are mishandling your paper also, but without understanding the papers of others. Why this kind of the problems should be created by me or by my Sathi who is working together? Don't work like a fire brigade. Don't work with a hot mind. If you are tempted, if you are disturbed, if you are in fiery mood, first you settle down with all your personal characteristics. Because these characteristics will not allow you to function until or unless you take the call on this. So first you take the call on this, balance your mind, recognize the work, read the paper, prioritize the work, and you function such a way that in less time more result can be delivered. It should not be vice versa. It should give more and more profit to the organization as far as individual productivity is concerned, because only 8 or 9 hours is given to you, and in that hour if 50% you are wasting, then you are killing your productivity. And then you self assess yourself that are you qualified for the increment and promotion? No. Injustice, even if you are being given, it is injustice. Your supervisor was not cautious and careful, so take a call. Don't rush in the fuss. You balance yourself, control yourself, stabilize your mind, brain functioning, and then, as I said, again I am saying, read the paper, prioritize the paper, and then you start working and give the best result in the appropriate time. Exercise all these in your day-to-day professional life. I am sure you will change yourself, your work style will change, you will set a good culture, and thus the company will progress. Thank you very much. Nice hearing me.